Big breath, big product. It's a chocolate frosted donut KitKat bar, king size. This is Mondo. It's 430 calories and 23 grams of fat. It's not actually that bad for how big this is. So it's pretty good. I got this from Walgreens on Aurora Avenue North by Shorewood High School, where I went to Shorewood High School in Shoreline, Washington State. It was on super sale. It cost 29 cents. Yes. And since I do a fair amount of donuts, I was like, well, I got to try that. So this is a Walgreens score. And I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi. She, her, hers of Seattle. This is, and I'm going to delve in. I'm filming this Sunday, May 2024. Whoa, you guys. It's even frosted on the top like a donut. So the bottom's tan, like the ring, and then the top is frosted like it's a donut. That's pretty epic. Is this big enough? 6 people could share it. Well, there's 8 sticks. So, divinely ordained for my sweet, sweet loving. People want me to fill out the podium. So we have 1, Jacob Ingebrigtsen, 2, Josh Kerr, and 3, Andrei Minikov. And then divinely ordained for my Who Am I wedding, Dominique Saboslai, Leon Marchand, and Noah Lyles. Right. So 1, Dominique Saboslai, 2, Leon Marchand, 3, Noah Lyles. So there we go. It looks a little like butterscotch. Tastes a little bit like I do. The bottom. It's sweet. Like, I'm guessing it's milk chocolate on top. Ingredients do not say butterscotch. It tastes like butterscotch. Maybe that's whatever is on the bottom mixing with whatever's on top. It also does not, does it say chocolate? No, it says cocoa butter. And so this is a type of candy bar. It's a wafer candy bar and a KitKat bar. Now I'm writing an autobiography. There's the like, me talking about a scenario. And then if the scenario plays out, I could write about what actually happened from the scenario description before it happened. Any documentation during and memory. It was kind of cool to think about. Like if that actually happens at some point in my life. I hope it does. Come get me, Josh Kerr. So let's do a Josh Kerr scenario. I'm sleeping in my room. And he has his room. And I open my Russian hamster eyes in the morning. I'm sitting, you know, arms on knees. He's kind of watching me sleep. He's sitting on the floor and I'm in bed. I open my eyes and I see the Scottish hamster, Josh Kerr. And he has beside him something wrapped. And when he goes, I have something for you. I'm coming on the bed. So he climbs on the bed next to me. And I like roll onto my back because I'm a stomach sleeper. I sleep on my stomach. And he has something wrapped and he's like, this is for you. So I take it. And I unwrap it. So I'm lying in bed. And he's kind of sitting next to me. I'm under the covers. He's on top of the covers. And I unwrap it, and it's a new iPhone. XS, or equally as good to an XS. And I'm like, Russian hamster, happy? And he's like, do you know what that means? I'm like, yes, no. He's like, it means I'm paying for dinner. And then we go out to dinner later in the day. And eventually, he might end up moving his stuff into my room instead of my stuff into his room. I'm just gonna wake up one morning and all of his stuff's gonna be in the room. And we're gonna turn his room into a working in bedroom. Like if we want to sit in bed and work in the bed. So it would effectively stay the same, which I think would be great if we decide to do that. So it could double as an emergency guest room. Or maybe we don't do that. But yeah. There we go. It's not quite as sweet now as the first steak. The nice thing about eating candy bars close together, like doing one a day, is it can be like, is it as good as blank that I've had recently? I will actually give this a 40 out of 10. Yes, it was better than the Hershey's cookies and cream bars. However, and some people might like to eat the whole package, and the whole package is, cookies and cream bars were 220 calories each. There's 430 for like the package. So that might be a deal breaker for some people. And it was a bit sweet on the first bite. So if somebody really doesn't like super sweet things and only has a stick or two, then yeah. I liked it. So that was a chocolate frosted donut KitKat king size. It's only 29 cents from Walgreens. Super safe. Thank you for joining me.